Welcome to Daily IELTS Word Mastery. Each day, we dive deep into one powerful word you need for the IELTS exam. You'll learn its meaning, usage, word family, and more. At the end, test yourself with a quick practice exercise to make the word stick. Let's master today's word. Let's talk about the word emphasize and its word family, a group of words that all come from the same root and carry a similar meaning. We'll begin with emphasize, which is a verb. It means to give special importance or attention to something. When you emphasize an idea, you're trying to make sure people notice it or understand its significance. For example, many experts emphasize the importance of regular exercise for maintaining good mental health. This kind of sentence clearly expresses a strong point or recommendation. Now let's move on to the noun form, emphasis. This is the importance or special attention that is given to something. Here's an example. In recent years, there has been a greater emphasis on developing soft skills in the workplace. It's useful when you want to describe trends, opinions, or changes in focus. Next is the adjective form, emphatic. We use this word to describe something that is expressed in a clear, strong, and definite way. It often shows confidence or certainty. For example, she gave an emphatic answer when asked about her career goals. It adds weight and clarity to a response. And finally, we have the adverb, emphatically. This describes how something is said or done in a forceful or clear way, often to show strong belief or emotion. Here's how it might be used. He emphatically rejected the proposal during the meeting. This adverb is great when you want to show that someone is making their position very clear. So now you've learned the word emphasize, along with its full word family, emphasis, emphatic, and emphatically. Each one lets you express ideas with more strength, clarity, and precision, whether you're giving an opinion, explaining a point, or responding with confidence. Now, let's put what you've learned into practice. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick practice. You'll see 5 sentences on the screen. Each one has a missing word, and your task is to choose the correct form. Emphasize, emphasis, emphatic, or emphatically. Take a moment to read all 5 sentences carefully. You'll have 15 seconds to think and complete them. Your time starts now. Time's up. Here are the correct answers. Nice work today. Now try this. Write your own sentence using one of the words and share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for the next word. See you next time.